So, I work in healthcare, and today is my day off. But I'm spending my day off doing laundry, cleaning, running errands, taking care of the yard. I'm not doing the things that I would love to do on my day off. And if you're in healthcare or maybe in a job that it's just so stressful, it causes a lot of anxiety, you're overworked. And guys, in healthcare, we were once heroes. Now we're just overworked and overlooked. So I'm sick and tired of it. I cannot spend the next 10 to 15 years doing what I'm doing right now. And that's not the laundry. What I'm saying is I cannot continue to go to the same job that I'm doing today. I can't imagine doing that when I'm 60, 65 years old. So I'm doing something about it, and I'm building a business online as an affiliate marketer. Now, some of you know what that is and some of you don't, but that's okay. Because I'm showing you how to build a business online and how to be an affiliate marketer to earn extra income. And I teach all of that in my Facebook group. So if you're sick and tired of spending your days off doing the things you don't love, and you would prefer to be out shopping, spending money, having more family time, then it's time that you start thinking about building a business online. All you have to do is go right there and join my community.